Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 56 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV show Batman, from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, follow the link to the Fanhome website all the way along there. Ding. Clickable version is in the description below, and you too can be building this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile. Quick scoop through the magazine. There's the TV show, The Joker's Provokers. See what they did there. The Dead Yet Alive is the great Batman comics. It's Michael Stipe in it from REM. Batman Year by Year is 1989. This was A Tale of the Batman, Gotham. Very dark artwork there, isn't it? Our car parts today, we are building the remote control, folks. Yes, we are getting all the electricery stuff out of the way. You've got the control top, bottom, battery tray, PCB, and the buttons. Oh, buttons. Like a set of buttons. That's how it's looking. Fitting the buttons. Popping the PCB in and the cover, and then obviously closing it up, and you will end up then with a remote control that you can play with until your heart's content. Yeah, we know how it's going to work, and it'll take a CR2032 battery. Okay, so we're going to sit and we're going to pop that together. So here are all the bits and bobs for the remote. And your PCB, folks, okay? So we want to make sure we orientate everything correctly on this, okay? Luckily for us, it will only go the one way, folks, so yeah. You'll notice with this button pad, you've got a little hole cut out there. That's for this peg. See, you can only put it in the one way, like that. And then just roll your battery pad in. And then whilst holding the buttons, just check that they've come through the other side and they're not fouling on anything, okay? Which they're not. So that's them done. And it's the same with the PCB. You'll notice it's got a corresponding hole in it. It's so that you put this the correct way around, folks, okay? So it'll go that way with your button pads ready to touch this. And then you want to lay it so that it's sitting like that with the chip facing up towards you, so that when you slide the battery in, it's going to touch these two prongs, okay? So that's what we want. Again, with the cover, battery compartment is there. We can then just slide that in, and you've got little rectangles that you can see, and it's a press fit. You'll feel it click into place, like so. And then you've got the, your little battery holder that will then slot in place up under there like that. Okay, so when it's held upside down, it will go that way round, I think. Like that. Okay, so that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. And then obviously to swap the battery, just put your finger in there, pop the cover out, put a battery in. But that's your bat remote, folks. Yes, see what I did there? And this gives you your power on, your speaker volume, start up noise, horn, all your antennas, lights, headlights, left and right, and little siren by the look of that, your speaker. So there you go, folks. That's your bat remote. So if you want to grab this Batmobile and bat remote, I can feel a label coming on. Follow this link here. It's in the description below. And that will take you to the Fanhome website, where you too can be building this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile. Also, to help me out, if you can click the little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. Really helps me grow, and I'm immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, ring the bell. That will give you notifications of upcoming content of all the Partwork stuff, as well as all the scale model stuff and bits and pieces that I do as well. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Thanks for coming in and keeping me company, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Bye.